Welcome to Minted Memories Numismatics, your gateway into the timeless world of Indian coins, proudly handled by me, Vignesh Goswami. Today, we take a closer look at a humble yet historic coin that played a key role in India's post-independence monetary reforms, the 1 Naya Paisa from 1960. Coin description. Obverse side. The center prominently displays the numeral 1, indicating its denomination. Beneath it is the phrase, Naya Paisa, meaning, new paisa. Along the outer rim, you'll find the slogan, Sampatti ka Sarvottam Prayog, which translates to, the best use of wealth. The year 1960 is inscribed at the bottom. Reverse side usually features the lion capital of Ashoka, the national emblem of India, along with the words, Government of India. Coin specifications. Name, 1 Naya Paisa. Year of issue, 1960. Country, Republic of India. Metal composition, bronze. Weight, approximately 1.75 grams. Diameter, 16 millimeters. Shape, round. Edge, plain. Mint location, usually Mumbai, Diamond Mint Mark, Calcutta, No Mint Mark, or Hyderabad, Star Mint Mark. Historical background. After independence, India began reforming its currency system. The old system of 1 rupee equals 16 annas equals 64 pice was replaced in 1957 by the decimal system, 1 rupee equals 100 paisa. To avoid confusion, newly issued coins were marked as Naya Paisa, meaning new paisa. This transition lasted until 1964, after which the word Naya was dropped. The 1961 Naya Paisa is from this important transition era and reflects India's financial modernization. Collector's insight. Availability. Common in circulated condition. Estimated value. Circulated, 5 rupees to 20 rupees. Fine to extremely fine, 25 rupees to 50 rupees. Uncirculated, UNC, or proof, 80 rupees to 150 rupees or more. Mint marks and error coins can significantly increase the value. Collectability. A foundational coin for new collectors of Indian decimals. Fun fact. The slogan, Sampatti ka Sarvottam Prayog, on the coin reflected the government's efforts to encourage saving and responsible use of money during India's rebuilding years. So next time you see this tiny coin, remember, it's more than just 1 paisa. It's a part of India's proud transition into a modern economic identity. If you liked this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Minted Memories Numismatics. Send your coin pics, and I might just feature your collection in an upcoming video. I'm Vignesh Goswami, and I'll be back with more coins, more stories, and more minted memories.